guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I've got a big unboxing for you guys. I will be unboxing 4 fire alarm devices. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so for the first package, I will be unboxing this one here. So, they taped this box really weird. Sorry, it's not a box, it's a bag. I don't know why, but they taped it like weird. Need a knife for this part. Sorry guys, it is thunderstorming out, so I apologize about the thunder, but I really can't do anything about it. Sorry to knock you guys over there. Just anything like the last unboxing I did. This is going to take a while. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up, see which one it is. Oh yes, this is Wheelock AS. See if I can get the mounting plate off of here. There we go. Model number is the Wheelock AS-2415C. That the 15 means it's fixed 15 candela. As you can see, it is a ceiling mount, but I don't have a spot for it on the ceiling, so it'll just be going as a wall mount like this. The other stuff that is in the box is the instructions and mounting hardware. System sensor for some reason. Oh, it isn't a system sensor box. Box that it's in is a system sensor P2RL. That's funny. Alright, next bag would be this one. Just trying to find a good way to open it up. Guys, I'm really bad at unpackaging things. Oh my goodness, what's up with people putting bags inside of bags? I'll speed this up. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely massive. But this is the Simplex 4903-9451. Conventional, so I can use it with my system. But yeah, this thing is huge. You don't really realize how big the alarms are until you hold them, and then I feel like they start to shrink after a while. Alright, so there's that one. Next, we're doing this one. I can probably just tear this. Instructions. Well, those aren't instructions, actually, that's shipping information. Bubble wrap. Ooh, a Wheelock Exceeder. So, I'm really struggling to get these mounting brackets off. It's not worth it, but that's a Wheelock Exceeder strobe. Guys, I'm so sorry, my cat is just being so loud. So let me go deal with that really quick, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I've got that taken care of. As you can see, I got my alarms lined up right here. And now we're going to open the last package. So, let's get right into it. And I'm sorry, I usually would have posted sooner, but I was waiting on this delivery. So, ooh, this is the Spectral Alert Advanced ceiling mount. Oh, my goodness, if I can get this thing to come out. There we go. Okay, sorry, let me move this up a little bit. Oh, I'm excited for this one. So this is a Fuego System Sensor PC2W-SP. Yeah. There's a mountain bracket right here. Then there's instructions and mounting hardware. So this is a horn strobe, and it's in Spanish. I don't know how many of these they have made, so that's pretty cool. Go ahead and stick in the mounting bracket here. Alright, so, oh, a whole bunch of boxes just fell. That's alright. So as you can see here, this is the lineup of alarms that I have unboxed today. Simplex, Wheelock, System Sensor. I don't know, I can think of the name for a second. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.